Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair NUROUM headphones with Android smartphone. So to do this, first I'm gonna disconnect them from my phone just to show you how to pair them. And what we want to do is to power them off entirely. Make sure that the LED lamp right here is not blinking, and yep, now they're powered off. Now what we need to do is to enter pairing mode, and you can do this by clicking on minus button, which is volume down key, and power key right here. So click and hold both of the buttons until you see that your headphones are powered on. Now they are in the pairing mode, and we can go for the Bluetooth devices on my smartphone, and here select them from the available list. Click pair, and they are connected with my smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.